Unveiling the Shadows, The Diddy Allegations, Sean Diddy Combs, a name synonymous with success, innovation, and the pinnacle of the music industry. For decades, he has been celebrated as a mogul, a trendsetter, and a cultural icon. But behind the glitz and glamour lies a series of allegations that have cast a shadow over his legacy. In a recent bombshell revelation, Diddy's former personal assistant, Philip Pines, has come forward with disturbing claims. According to a report by the New York Post, Pines alleges that he was coerced into sexual acts to demonstrate his loyalty to Combs. He recounts being pressured into participating in a sex party, fearing the repercussions of refusal. Pines, voiceover. I was terrified. Saying no wasn't an option. The fear of his temper left me with no choice. These allegations are part of a broader pattern of accusations against Combs, including multiple lawsuits alleging sexual misconduct and abuse. As reported by the New York Post, Combs is currently facing charges of sex trafficking and racketeering, to which he has pleaded not guilty. His legal team vehemently denies all allegations, asserting his innocence. Attorney voiceover. Mr. Combs has never engaged in any of the misconduct alleged. We are confident that the truth will prevail. The unfolding legal battles and the release of investigative documentaries have ignited public debate, leaving many questioning the true story behind the man known as Diddy. Sean Diddy Combs, the renowned music mogul, is currently facing significant legal challenges. In September 2024, he was arrested on charges of sex trafficking and racketeering. Combs has pleaded not guilty and is awaiting trial, scheduled to begin on May 5, 2025. nwikipedia.org. Recently, Philip Pines, who served as Combs's senior executive assistant from 2019 to 2021, alleged that Combs coerced him into sexual acts to demonstrate loyalty. Pines has filed a lawsuit against Combs, accusing him of sexual battery, harassment, and trafficking. NYPost.com. Additionally, Dee Woods, a former member of the girl group Danity Kane, has spoken out about her experiences with Combs, describing a verbally abusive environment where she felt objectified. Combs' legal team has denied these allegations, asserting that he has never engaged in the accused conduct. People.com. In a separate legal action, Combs has filed a $50 million defamation lawsuit against Courtney Burgess, her attorney Ariel Mitchell, and Nexstar Media Inc., the parent company of News Nation. The lawsuit claims that Burgess falsely alleged possession of explicit videos involving Combs and other celebrities, including minors. Combs contends that these claims are baseless and have caused significant harm to his reputation. Pages6.com. As these legal proceedings continue, Combs remains incarcerated at the Metropolitan Detention Center in Brooklyn, awaiting his upcoming trial. Join us as we delve deeper into this complex narrative, exploring the rise and potential fall of a music industry titan. Note: this presentation is based on allegations reported in the media. All individuals are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.